Hello. Today what I'm going to do is share a light with you called the, figure out the pronunciation, the Perun Mini Kit. Now, this has many functions. As you see, very small light. Depress here for different modes. And it has this clip, so I can use it as a EDC light by just clipping it onto something. But they also give you this Velcro mount. Now you can put this on a mount here if you had a Velcro patch spot. I put it right here on my chest rig so I can have a light there. But they also send you with a strap that you can use it as a headlamp. Now it is very windy out here today, so bear with me with the wind noise. Now this is the strap right here they give you, and how that attaches is you just line that up like this, and there you go. Now you have a headlamp. Now I've already used this out camping and I really like it. Now I had to wear my ball cap because there is one thing I do not like about this light. What I'm talking about is this Velcro loops right here. If you do not have a hat on, this irritates your head. Those hook and loops. So, to be honest myself, I'm going to cut that right off on both of them. It's still going to give me a hook and loop that is about that size that I can still stick to things and it will still be fine. But unless you wear a hat, this can really irritate the head. So, either they have to put a bigger section here to fit this size, or they're going to have to make it slimmer so it's not making your head sore. But other than that, I love this light. I used it on the low setting. You have one that setting that is the lowest, which most call firefly. But the low setting is great around camp, and then it has many other settings. I'm going to go over those with you now. So I wrote those down because I would never remember them. So how you get this is I'm going to push and hold it, and that's going to give me the lowest setting, the firefly as some people call it. This is great for reading maps and so on if you just want very little light. But that can last 4.5 days of continuous use. So this would be a great light if you was lost or stranded and you had to conserve your power. Next is 15 lumens. This lasts 25 hours of continuous running. So that would be this right here. I'm going to also add a clip to show you what this looks like at night. But I'm just going to go over these right now. The 15 lumens is the one I use around camp. And like I said, that can last 25 hours. So that's a long time. That's continuous use. You don't leave a light on around camp continuously for that, for 8 hours or whatever. Usually a couple hours, and then you go to bed. So the next level, I will turn it there and I'll hold it. And then changes to the next one is 65 lumens for 6 hours. The next one, I'll hold it. That's 250 lumens for 98 minutes. And then if I double tap it, it's 1,000 lumens. And then it goes back down to 250 lumens. So it stays 1,000 lumens for 1 minute, and then it will go 85 minutes at 250. I believe that's what they mean by what they have on the website. So if I click it, there you go. That's the 1000 lumens. What also makes this a great light, it is waterproof, it's drop resistant from 1.5 meters, and it also has a throw of 100 meters out. So you can really see out there if you have to. So I'm really liking this light. Like I said, it's very simple. Has a hole there. I just slide the clip into that hole and this rotates as well. I believe it's 60 degrees rotation. So I like it because it's so small and compact and it delivers a punch of light. Take care. Thanks a lot. All the best. So this is the night test. And I've got the headlamp on right now. I'm going to press and hold. And that is the firefly mode. As you see, I could easily read, or I could, to get down here, I could walk around with that as well. Now, the next mode is going to be low. This here is the low mode. And as you see, you can see pretty decent. Definitely see around camp. Now I'm going to switch it to the medium. There you go. Now with the medium, you can reach out quite far. This camera does not pick it up as well, but we're going to walk over there a little ways, and so you can see it on the trees here. You can see it on the trees there now. Now I'm going to put it in high mode. There you go. Now, like I said, this is not doing it justice. The camera usually don't. Now I'm going to click it twice, get the turbo. Wow. Now that's quite a difference. Wow. Very cool.